Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about installation on Windows. So we have two steps to follow this. Either we can install through Anaconda or directly we can install Python. Let's look into the installation of Anaconda. We'll go to the Anaconda website. Let's give me a second. This is the Anaconda website. From there we get into the products and individual editions. So it will show you the individual editions where you can download it from there. Okay. Now, this will hit install Anaconda, download. It will take you to which operating systems you want to install, whether you want a Windows, Mac, or Linux. Now we are installing on Windows. Uh, I have already installed on my laptop, so I won't be able to show you the installation steps, but I can direct you. So we'll go for 64-bit graphical installer. Click on that. The installation download will start. Once download is finished, we need to double click on that downloaded file and automatically the installation will start by itself. I'm canceling this because I don't need this on my system. So once installation is done, it's simple steps. So you need to follow next steps. The installation will be done. Once installation is done, open the Anaconda. So you can open it through as Anaconda. Here is the Anaconda Navigator. We have installed it. So we can open the Anaconda Navigator. Once we have opened the Anaconda Navigator, it will look like this. This is the Anaconda Navigator, where you can see it here. CMD is installed, Jupyter Lab is installed, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell, and many other things has been already installed with Anaconda. So I suggest you guys to install Anaconda rather than installing individual Python. From here, we can directly open just a Jupyter Notebook and start working the Python. So we'll discuss that in our next session. We'll get on to the installation part. Here is. So once this is done, so I'll show you how to install individual Python on your machine. So just go to www.python.org.downloads. From there, you can download the individual Python. So now I have opened this site. Let's wait and watch. Yes, here we have the downloads. Download Python 3.8.5. Just hit that button. The download will start. Right here is the download started. I'm canceling it because it's already installed on my lap, so I don't need that. So we'll get onto our PowerPoint presentation. We'll start working on that. So I have downloaded the Python downloads. Now double click on that downloaded icon, downloaded file. Then you'll see this screen and click on install now. Once you have done that, just click on next. And if you want to change the path of the installation, you can change it, but I suggest you to let it be on the default and click on the install button, and the installation process will be installed. Once once the installation is completed, you can see it now. Try to use Python on the command prompt. Try the command Python in case of Python 2 or 3. In case of Python 3, it will show an error as given in the below screen. It is because we haven't set the path. For this individual Python installation, we have to set up the path variables. Then only we can use the Python. Now, let's check how to set up the Python. To set up the Python path, we need to right click on my computer and go to properties. Now I'll close this. We'll go to Right click on my computer and go to properties. Here you can see advanced system settings. Get on there, and here you can see environment variables. Here you got it. Click on that. What we have to do over here is we need to set up the variable. Now the new path variable in the user variable section. In the user variable, you have two variables, user variables on the top and the system variables at the bottom. At the top, we need to set up a new user variable. Now, how we'll set up? Click on new and you will see variable name and variable value. Type path as a variable name and the set path to the installation directory of the Python shown. So you need to set the path like we have installed, for example, C colon slash slash program files x86 Python 37.30. This is the path where I have installed my Python in my lab. So you have to give the variable. So wherever the Python is installed, you have to give it. Or else you can directly browse directly from here or browse a file here. But it's better to type it and use it and click or hit on OK button. Right. Once OK button is clicked, the Python variable will be added in user variable. Now the path is set. We are ready to run Python on our local machine. Restart CMD and type Python again. It will open the Python interpreter shell where we can execute the Python statement. Right. Hope you guys understood how to set up the variables and how to do the installation process. If you guys have any issues, any doubts, you can drop me an email anytime without hesitation. Now this is the end of installation of Python session. We'll get on to the next session with different options. Thank you very much. Have a good day.